Hey there, crypto fans. Thanks for joining me here on Altcoin Radar. Today, guys, I'm going to give you guys my realistic long-term price prediction for the REN token. And as always, guys, hey, if you like the content that I create, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, because why not, right? And also, guys, hey, feel free to follow me on Twitter here as well with the link in the video description down below. I like Twitter. It's a fun place to talk about altcoins and NFTs all day. So if you're into that sort of thing, hey, go ahead, give me a follow. All right, guys, so for those of you who are new to these videos of mine, to the long-term crypto price predictions, I'm a long-term holder. I've been holding on to various altcoins for about 4 years now, almost 5. And hey, if you're a long-term holder, you wanna hold for the long term, which is, long term is usually considered 3 years plus, in my personal opinion. Then you're gonna like these videos. I don't use technical analysis because you really can't tell where the overall general price, where the price is going to go, years from now based on, technical analysis. And obviously, you guys, you don't see a magic ball behind me. I'm not a magician, so I can't give you, I can't give you like an exact number or guarantee that it's going to go this high or anything like that. But hey, I'll show you guys how I go about things today, and we'll see what the long-term price prediction will be for REN. All right, guys, so REN is currently ranked number 98 on CoinMarketCap, and it is currently trading for $1.07 at the time of filming right now, and it's got a market cap of $1 billion, like $1.06 billion, and it's got a circulating supply of, well, I'm just going to go ahead and call it 1 billion, okay? It's really 997 billion, but I'm just going to call it 1 billion. Now, REN's all-time high, actually. So REN's been around for, the price data for REN goes back all the way to February of 2018. And it's got an all-time high of, let's see here. Its all-time high is $1.83. So $1.83 with a max supply of, with a circulating supply of roughly 1 billion, that was probably roughly a, 1 or like a $1.83 billion market cap. Obviously, because, max supply multiplied by the number or the price it was back then by its all-time high. So that'd be roughly a $1.83 billion market cap. Now, guys, here's the thing. As more and more money gets thrown into these markets, pretty much a lot of these coins that have utility and have, have an actual purpose in the space, they're going to continue to go up, okay? Bitcoin's at over $1 trillion right now. This time last year, it was nowhere near $1 trillion. So just keep that in mind. As more and more money flows into these markets, these other coins are going to continue to go up as well. So overall, guys, REN, it's going to keep going up. It's got utility, it's got good use cases, it's got a good project behind it, and it's going to continue to grow. It's just going to, whether it's slowly or not, or surely, hey, overall, it's going to grow. What that number is going to be, we're not exactly 100% sure, but we're going to figure that out. So, guys, obviously, max supply or the circulating supply is 1 billion tokens. Now, my personal opinion, you guys, I think the market cap can easily get to. I personally believe it can get to at least 3 to 5 billion in the future. I'm talking long term here, you guys. Long term holding. Hold on to it for 3 years, 3 years at least. 5 years if you're really into it as a long term investment. Maybe even 7 years. You just never know. So as a long-term investment, I personally think it can get to at least a minimum of $3 billion market cap. And I'm going to go with $3 billion because I'm a conservative, and it could definitely go higher than that, but I'm a conservative and I like to be on the safe side of things since we're dealing with real money here. When you're dealing with, a lot, but, when you're dealing with your hard-earned money, you want to look at things from a realistic perspective. So overall, I think it can easily get to a $3 billion market cap, which, honestly, let's see here. I already know what the number is going to be, but for those of you who aren't very good with math, with a circulating supply of 1 billion multiplied by, multiplied by $3, that's going to come out to our $3 billion market cap that I think it could go to in the long term. So overall, guys, I'm going to go ahead for my long-term prediction here of $3. That's where I think it's personally going to go. So therefore, this is why I do these videos, because I'm a long-term holder. And when I try to figure out where I want to put my money or where I want to buy in with my next bag, this is how I do it. This is how I figure it out. I haven't lost money yet because I hold for the long term, and hey, this is just a great method for the way that I do things. So it's all from my opinion. All right, so $3 is my prediction here. So we are going to see, what you could potentially come out with if you put in a certain amount of money. So usually when I buy a new bag into something, you guys, usually it's roughly around anywhere between $5,000 and $10,000. So on the high end of things, just for fun, we're gonna go with a $7,000 investment. Actually, no, we'll go $7,500. So no, not 75,000. All right, $7,500. All right, we're gonna divide that by where it's at right now, $1.07. So you'd come out with roughly 7,009 coins. So 7,009 coins, and we're going to go ahead and multiply that by $3. Now that's going to come out to a $21,000, or roughly. That's going to come out to roughly. You're pretty much going to double your money. Now, here's the thing, you guys. Me personally, there's other coins where you can make a lot more money. There really is. There's a lot of coins where you can make a lot more money and a lot bigger profits than something like this. And again, me personally, this is just me looking at it from my perspective and my point of view. And like I said, you guys, remember, it can go a lot higher than this. I'm a conservative, and this is the way that I do things. So for me personally, there's a lot of other coins out there that can go higher than this, but this is a good solid number. If you're looking for a good solid investment, to double your money, this is definitely going to be it. You can easily get, you're probably easily going to get double your money back on this, in the long term. I mean, 21,000 minus 10,000, that's an $11,000 profit that you made. And again, you're going to be adding more and more to it as time goes on as well, because long-term holders like myself, we don't really just buy one time and then hold forever. We usually buy more during every time it dips further and further. So I mean, you're really just adding on to it as time goes on as well. So keep that in mind also. So it's going to be a little bit higher than this probably. But I just want to go ahead and double check my math here real quick, because I'm a little confused here. So $7,500, we're going to divide that by $1.07. 7,500 divided by $1.07. I'll go to 7,009 coins. 7,009, and we're going to multiply that by $3. Okay, no, that's right. That's right. Okay. So yeah, guys, no, I'm sorry. My profit was wrong. Okay, so $21,000 is $27. And we're going to minus that by our investment, which was $7,500. So really, you made a $13,500 profit off of a $7,500 investment. So realistically, I mean, yeah, that's more than doubling the profit. You're pretty much you're pretty much going 2.5x on this investment long term, which again, I mean, guys, that's really not bad. It's really not when you think about it in the grand scheme of things. And again, this is just one of your investments out of the many others that you have invested into as well in the future. So just keep that in mind. All right, guys, so that's going to pretty much do it for this video. My price prediction for this one is $3. So yeah. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, hey, don't forget to go ahead and follow me on Twitter with the link in the video description below. And also, guys, go ahead and take a minute to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new cryptocurrency and altcoin video from me on a daily basis. And with that said, you guys, hey, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you all in my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.